Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need GeForce experience and a matching Nvidia driver. Once those are confirmed, open the app now. Navigate straight to the Preferences gear and then the General tab. You'll see the in-game overlay toggle. This controls Alt plus Z. Turn it off to immediately disable the overlay. Doing this prevents overlays from injecting into games and recording hooks. If you encounter permissions prompts, accept them so the settings persist. This step changes the overlay state at the system level. Once the overlay is off, make sure hotkeys are deactivated to avoid accidental reactivation. Open the overlay settings, cog, and go to keyboard shortcuts. Remove Alt plus Z or assign a different combination so it no longer responds. Then, open Task Manager and stop unnecessary Nvidia processes like shadow play or broadcast if they're running. Disable their startup entries. This prevents services from re-enabling the overlay after reboot. Make sure to save changes and close GeForce Experience after adjusting settings. Finish by rebooting so the configuration takes effect across the OS and games. After restart, test Alt plus Z to confirm it does nothing. If Alt plus Z still appears, reinstall GeForce Experience and install the latest Nvidia driver. This resolves corrupt settings. Also inspect other overlay apps like Discord or Steam. Once done, disable their overlays to rule out conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: if the overlay persists, create a fresh Windows user profile to test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.